Well, today we're starting harvest. Kind of. Doing organic rye today. Now, we've done this in the past. Every single time we don't know what we're doing, and we have done no more research this year than we have in the previous years. So it's kind of just shoving the new combine. We have a new combine, by the way. Shoving the new combine on the head and seeing if it works. Come along with us. So you haven't made it very far.
I've got stuff on the shit.
Yeah, I'm probably. Instead of kicking the bolt across the floor, we should probably put it away somewhere. Okay.
Hoping it's just a matter of hooking this up. Hasn't been calibrated yet.
You need to calibrate these things?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Aren't you a John Deere technology person?
I am. I've never done anything with drapers.
That's all I want to before we, I don't know if we're going to weed or not, but if we're going to, I'd like to make sure it calibrates before we go.
Okay.
So if you want to get the combine out,
okay,
we'll get it hooked up.
The 780 or the 90 to 70?
The 90 to 70 is in here.
So the 780 it is. Got it. New combine. We reuse our old grain hopper extensions, so that's why that's dirty, but the rest of the combine is nice and shiny. Same combine we've had for like the past 4 years. Just another 780 LSWs. Yeah, not much, nothing special about it. We do have a cool sticker though. And I also just realized that if I don't open that door, we're gonna have some issues. Ooh. Look at how small the 4430. Yeah, look at how small the 4430 looks from the cab of the combine. Absolute unit. I've only done this like once, so we'll see how it goes. Got it. Wasn't the first try, it was a second try this time. But it wasn't like I had to like back way up and straighten up again. It was just like a quick little like 2 foot back up and then re-straighten. Nice and cool in here. Oh, all sorts of calibrations. Oh, calibration. This is... Sure, I'll fix that later.
Okay.
Alright, calibrate. Follow prompts, okay. Calibration failed.
Okay, well that's a different one then. Okay. Exit out of that then.
Okay. Real position, should we start at the bottom and go up?
The real one don't work.
Okay, feeder house speed. Hey, it's doing something. We must not have a new enough header to do all the other calibrations.
No, they're all going to be done.
There's an order?
I don't know. It's just, I do it once a year and it's, I get follow procedures.
It says calibration will proceed. Oh, I would've got to hit the button though. Press and hold the header raise switch.
You holding it?
I'm holding it.
Okay. It's got to go through all of its...
It's doing its thing. It's not very fast, and we're only in step 10 of 25.
It does a bunch of them at once, if I remember right.
Press and hold header lower switch.
I think if you stop hold it, then it kicks the whole thing out and you got to start over. So.
I won't stop holding it. Read the instructions. was waiting for it to change and only change one word. I wasn't looking at that one word.
You're the John Deere technology person.
Alright, see, I got that time.
Even I can say when it says hold the up header switch, I seem to be able to grasp that.
It just says, it just...
Well, let's try different speeds.
Oh.
One of them, somewhere along the line, it starts going, let's get the...
You want to do that again?
Not really.
It's going really fast now. Calibration complete.
One down. Try the lateral speed tilt.
Lateral tilt speed. Alright.
Just said if you replaced, just go back again. Oh, we don't have to do that one then.
Don't do this one?
So just said if you replace components on the feeder house.
Where does it say that? Oh, right there. Feeder house.
There's two sentences on the screen.
I was looking like up here, I was looking over here, I looked at everywhere except for, okay. Okay, got her all calibrated up, got the header cleaned out from the disastrous organic soybeans we combined last year, and got the monitor on, got some setup files put on the monitor. We should be ready to go. No, he's just, I don't know, he's just doing something, messing with something. And then we'll head out there. It's hot out. What is the temperature out right now? 85. It feels a lot hotter than that. It's not the heat, it's the humidity. Ha! Oh, I got the camera turned on about 3 seconds too late. The head's so big, he had to put the head above my pickup as he drove by. I'm gonna pull up to a field drive up here, then I'll hop in. I'm pretty certain I broke my toe this morning when I stubbed my toe on my door frame to my bathroom. So walking through ditches is kind of hard. You already took it out of the cover?
Yes.
You know how devalues the equipment, right? What the heck is going on? No. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on its holder. I'm done, right? When I'm done with the book here, if you gotta put it in the holder.
In the floor? This door kind of sucks.
Takes 3 minutes to get it. You got it closed?
Yeah, I got it closed.
Just figure it out there.
Alright, we gotta turn this off. Nope, not louder. There we go. So right before I got in the combine, I said I think I broke my toe. I just took my boot off to look at my toe. I'm not gonna show you guys, that's disgusting. But it's pretty black.
He said it's disgusting. The first thing you do is get in the cab and say, here, look at my toe.
You gotta get rid of the new combine smell somehow.
Just how I want to get rid of it.
You gotta admit though, it's not a great looking toe. I mean, I don't think it's that bad. It'll be fine. It's straight, I think. It is a little bit numb. You should have seen it. I can't surprised it didn't wake you up. You should have seen the amount of force I had behind that kick. It was pretty incredible.
It did our door, didn't it?
No. 65 bushel rye. That's not calibrated at all, but we've only done one end row. Grain tank behind us, the window's full anyways.
Well,
This is definitely the best ride we've ever combined.
yeah, we didn't drive through it with a planner or anything.
True.
But no, it'll kind of won't be too negative anyway.
Yeah, we better get a truck here pretty soon.
I think she's on her way.
She's on her way. Perfect. You should. Have you ever programmed your back button to do anything?
Yeah. I've got some program ready to be. What should I be programming?
I don't know. Just I don't know if you use the back buttons or not. They're kind of handy.
Yeah, I got the 4.5 on one. And I put something else on one, but I don't remember what I did. Oh, the belt speed.
Oh. Hey, the MTG's working now. Just to let you know, you are 93% full in fuel and 16% full in depth. Just in case you couldn't see your monitor.
I didn't even have to have you get that in to help me shut all that header right and pull off again. We can do it from here, can't we?
Yep. Menu. Applications. All the way down. On the left or right. Work setup. Right there. Harvest setup. Header controls. And there's your options. I don't think it allows you to do it when you're combining. See, I don't know how to calibrate a header, but I can get you through a Gen 4 monitor pretty good.
You're good for something. Why isn't it?
Hit tap it again.
It's not the right color.
Hit custom at the top. Not let you change it. There you go. So after we combine this, what's your plan?
Keep the weeds down.
Buy tillage or what?
Yeah, I'm probably not going to do anything. I'll come out here in any area that's got some weeds. We'll just get down. Rye will kind of start growing again.
So I hear I have a dirt bike track.
Basically, yeah.
Sweet. So all these flags right here are the different kinds of, 2 different kinds of rye that we planted at different poundage rates.
Seeding rate.
Seeding rate. Don't know the lingo for the small grain stuff. So we're combining kind of half 3-pound seeding rate and half 1.2 pounds.
That drill was finicky.
Yeah, a little.
Let's try and turn down just a little bit.
The tie drill's gone. We sold it. But you can't tell at all where the heavier seeding rate was, where the lighter seeding rate was.
I think they want around 2, I think. I think 3 was on the awfully heavy side.
Maybe if you look at the ground afterwards, the straw looks lighter over there than it does over here. So the line must be like.
There'll be a flag up there, right?
Did you leave the flags in?
Yeah.
I don't see a flag. Right there. Nope, we're all in the 3-pound.
I think the 3-pound or the lighter stuff should combine a little better, I'm hoping. This stuff takes some power.
For everyone that combines small grains, how fast do you usually go? You're going 2.5, and you're not maxing it out, but
No, I could go fast.
I really don't want to unslug a combine full ride.
I'm not really comfortable right now yet, so.
That is so pretty. Like we're in Montana. It's hard running through rye when you're limping. Okay, I'm not limping that bad, but it does hurt.
folds, your fork still holds your place in your bed, showing no regret. Close your eyes to hide your lies, roll the dice. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. You're playing it cool, bending all the rules, talking way too loud, and you're talking rude. You're playing a game, driving me insane. Your heart is back, and it's a fact, no turning back. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft. Come on. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft. I got my moves, I got my song. When I turn my mojo on, I'm feeling fine, I'm feeling strong. It won't take long when I use my